Da-Lite's heavy-duty Fast-Fold Deluxe portable screens are available in sizes up to 27.5 feet wide. The frame is constructed of sturdy 3.5-inch wide by 1.25-inch thick aluminum tubing and features easy release latches for simple, quick setup and teardown of the screen. The heavy-duty Fast-Fold Deluxe complete screen system includes the folding frame and legs, a projection surface of your choice contained in a protective pouch, speedy cranks for easy assembly, and a durable wheeled poly case with built-in handles and a speedy crank storage compartment. The frame can also be customized for special aspect ratios and mounting situations. Choose from both front and rear projection surfaces that are seamless in sizes up to 16 feet high. Heavy-duty Fast-Fold Deluxe systems using a day mat front projection surface are standard as a foldable black-backed material. This exclusive feature allows for portability of a fast-fold screen with the superior image quality and opacity of a black-backed material. Setting up your heavy-duty Fast-Fold Deluxe frame is quick and easy. First, unfold the 4 sections of the frame, lock all the latches, and lay them face up on the floor. Attach the top and bottom sections to the side sections and tighten the corner locks securely. Lay the frame on the floor and match the top of the screen surface with the top of the frame. Snap all 4 corners of the surface to the frame. Starting at the bottom section, snap the center button and continue snapping the remaining buttons. Then continue with the top and sides in the same manner. Attach heavy-duty Fast-Fold Deluxe legs to side frame members at the desired height, using at least 2 speedy cranks. Matching the color tape on the legs and frame will set your screen height at a standard 44 inches from the floor, which is also the standard height for use with presentation drapery accessories. Raise the front foot of each leg and lock the corner brace. With 1 person at each leg, raise to a standing position. Lower the back foot, lock the corner brace, and attach the A brace from the rear foot to the back member of the truss leg. Attach the anti-sway braces to the legs. The heavy-duty Fast-Fold Deluxe screen height is adjustable in 6-inch increments, either up or down. At the lowest setting, the frame will be 12 inches from the floor. For stability, the frame should not be extended so that more than half of the frame height is above the top of the legs.